Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Villette. This coming fall I will be entering into my 10th year of teaching. This past year I took a leave of absence just to take a time out to take care of my family after I had my son, and yeah, I wasn't really quite sure whether or not I would go back to teaching, but I was really excited because there was a library position at the neighborhood school, like 4 minutes from my house, that opened up, and that is what I will be doing next year. So I'm really excited to have my first library position next year. I've kind of done a whole bunch of different teaching experience, mostly primary in kindergarten, but I've done ESL in 5th grade as well. So but I am super excited to start teaching library because it's what I really want to do, and the fact that it's at the neighborhood school where my kids will eventually go is really exciting. So that is in the Shawnee Mission School District. And speaking of kids and family, I live with my husband in Prairie Village, and we have a daughter who's 4 and then a son who is 18 months. So they are definitely keeping us busy. As far as courses taken so far in the Library Media Specialist program, this is my last course before my practicum. So, and I think that this class is the one that I've kind of been looking forward to the most because it's the one that I don't know anything about. So I really haven't had any experience with cataloging, but I am looking forward to learning a lot more through this course, and especially because I'll be doing it next year. So as far as the online format is concerned, I really like taking online classes, and what I've really liked about the library classes is just the flexibility with the assignments, because as we all know, some weeks are busier than others, and so it's been nice to have some flexibility with that. So anyway, I am really looking forward to working with all of you and learning more with you this summer.